Hey, so if the background remover isn't working in Photopea, like it's not selecting properly or not deleting the background, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing, check your tool. Make sure you're using the Quick Selection tool or Magic Wand tool. Next, select the correct layer in the Layers panel. So if you're on the wrong layer, the background remover won't work properly. All right, if it's a smart object or locked layer, right-click and rasterize it. I mean, some tools won't work unless the layer is editable. Now increase tolerance or adjust selection settings. Low tolerance can stop the tool from detecting the background properly. Next, zoom in and refine your selection. So hair edges and corners often need manual adjustment for better results. All right, if you selected the subject, make sure you invert the selection before deleting. Otherwise you might delete the wrong part. And yeah, if it still doesn't work, refresh Photopea or try another browser. Sometimes glitches or extensions can break the tool. So that's how you fix Photopea background remover not working issues. One of these steps should get it working again.